keep my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring.
Hey girl, hey, it's LoKardaShian and welcome back to my channel. Today I did this really pretty like pink monochromatic look for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I didn't do a talk through this time, but I did do like a voiceover, so I'll tell you guys exactly how to get this look. If you guys are interested in this really pretty look, then please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Hey girls, so I'm starting off with priming my eyes. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the color 4.0, and then I'm going in with the Anastasia Banana Powder and I'm setting that in place. For our crease colors, I am going in with the Kylie Burgundy palette. I am using the shades Naked and Beach. Those both are going right into my crease. Now going back into that same palette, I am taking the color Burgundy and just deepening up the crease a little bit more. Using that same Anastasia concealer we used before, I am going to cut my crease. For the lid color, I went into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I chose that really pretty pink color at the top called Angelic. For foundation, I went in with the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. I forget what color I am, but it's like 310 or 10 or something like that. For concealer, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and I mixed it with the NYX Concealer in the color Glow. To set my concealer, I'm going back in with the Anastasia Banana Powder from my contour kit. And to also contour, I'm using the color Espresso in the same palette. Excuse me girls for not knowing what lashes these are, but I'm pretty sure they're some LoKardash lashes, so I'm just applying them off camera. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going back into the Kylie palette. I'm using the color Burgundy on the lower lash line, but I didn't want it to be too pink, so I mixed it with another color in the palette called Brick. For my lower lashes, I'm going in with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And to set the face, I'm going to use my Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. I have been dying to use this highlighter on camera. This is the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina La Bronze highlighter. However, it is just a little bit dark for me. So I went in with the MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter right on top, and it was perfect. Alright, so you guys know I like to come back on camera and show you what lip I'm gonna do. This pinkish mauve lip color from Essence, and it's called Satin Mauve. I'm gonna conceal my lips real quick just with my LA Girl concealer that I used to highlight. Getting a closer look at the eyes, they look very like peachy pink and monochromatic, so this lip like flows very well, and I am obsessed as always. I'm trying to get into the habit of doing like different looks that I haven't done before, using palettes that maybe I don't use as often, like for instance the Kylie Burgundy palette and my Huda Beauty palette. I've actually had both of these guys for like a while now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. It's definitely a springtime look. If you girls enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, leave me a comment down below of video suggestions, or if you like the look, or if you just want to talk, let me know. I'm LoKardash, and I'll see you girls soon in a new video. Bye.